Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today I am going to discuss with you next part of matrices, system of linear equations. In this section we shall study the consistency and the solutions of homogeneous and non-homogeneous system of linear equations. For this study, we have to use the theory of matrices, especially the rank of matrices. The system of equations denoted by equation 1, where a11, a12, amn and b1, b2, bm are constants, is called a system of m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, xn. The system of equations 1 can be represented by the matrix equation as Ax equal to b. The matrix A is called the coefficient matrix of the given system. The matrix X is called the matrix of unknowns, and the matrix B is called the matrix of constants. Now we consider the definitions of consistent and inconsistent equation. First we consider definition of consistent equations. If the system of equations has one or more solutions, then the equations are said to be consistent. Now we consider definition of inconsistent equations. If the system of equations has no solution, then equations are said to be inconsistent. Now we consider definition of augmented matrix. The matrix obtained by combining the elements of matrix A and B as shown below, square matrix A colon B is called the augmented matrix of the system of equations 1. Now we consider system of linear homogeneous equations. Consider the following system of equations. These are m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, xn. Here RHS side is 0. Hence these are homogeneous equations. Denote this system by equation 1. The system of equations 1 can be represented by the matrix equation as Ax equal to 0, where A is coefficient matrix, X is matrix of unknowns and 0 is null matrix. We denote this Ax equal to 0 by equation 2. A is matrix of square matrix. Now we consider definition of consistent for condition of consistency. The homogeneous system of equations is always consistent. The homogeneous system of equation has always one set of solutions, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, dash dash dash, xn equal to 0, that is capital X equal to 0, which is called as the trivial solution. Number 2, any other solution of the homogeneous system of equations is called non-trivial solution. In this case, we must have at least one of x1, x2, xn will be non-zero. Let capital X1 and capital X2 be the solutions of equation 2. Then x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 0. If k1 and k2 are any two arbitrary numbers, then a into bracket k1 x1 plus k2 x2 equal to k1 into bracket ax1 plus k2 into bracket ax2, which is equal to k1 into 0 plus k2 into 0, which is equal to 0. This shows that the linear combination of any two solutions of equation 2 is again a solution of equation 2. Now we consider the nature of the general solution. Suppose we have m equations in n unknowns as given in equations 2. Then the coefficient matrix A will be of order m by n. Suppose R be the rank of matrix A. Clearly, R cannot exceed the number n of columns. Hence, there are two possibilities, R equal to n or R is less than n. Let us discuss both the cases. Case 1, if R equal to n, the equation x equal to 0 will have n minus n equal to 0 linearly independent solutions. That is, no linearly independent solution will exist. That is, in this case, only trivial solution exists, that is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, dash dash dash, xn equal to 0. Case 2, if r is less than n, we shall have n minus r linearly independent solutions. Any linear combination of these n minus r solutions will also be a solution of x equal to 0. In this case, the equation x equal to 0 will have an infinite number of solutions. Further, we shall discuss the case if m is less than n. Since the rank of matrix A cannot exceed the number of rows, that is, R is less than or equal to m. If m is less than n, then this gives R is less than n. By using case 2, we can say that the number of solutions of the equation x equal to 0 is infinite. Hence, if the number of equations is less than the number of unknowns, then there are infinitely many solutions. Thank you.